It's when they took all the ivy down from the building, as we can see, you can see that there has actually been quite a lot of alteration. So there was a window at one stage. There was a window, some sort of in the middle there. You can see the curve of the bricks. And also here, something's happened here because there's a line down there which would suggest that at some stage that was a much bigger window. Now, this is a farm building, so it's very strange because in this part of Warwickshire, but in Coventry and Bedworth and Nuneaton, a window that big will say to any local historian, ribbon weaving. There would have been a loom there, and they had the huge windows in order to get as much light as they could. But why have a window like that in a farm building? It doesn't add up. So taking all the ivy off has made us ask more questions than we have answers to, and I just don't know. I don't know what's happened there. Maybe it was used. I just don't know. Ribbon weaving. I just don't know. This obviously, again, it's a different coloured brick, and you can see that is a later addition. But certainly we think it might well have been there in Mary Ann's time. I can't see any reason why not. But again, there's been another line there, almost as if there was a door of some sort. So it's really interesting, and whether we can unearth any documentary evidence at some stage when we've got the time and the energy, to find out a bit more about this building. I don't know. It would be really interesting.
Wouldn't be no.